Welcome back to Bike Vibes. Today we're taking a look at something a little different from our usual bikes. This time it's all about luxury on four wheels, and trust me, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S 650 is in a class of its own. The Maybach name has always been synonymous with opulence, and this new S 650 is no exception. As you approach the car, you're immediately struck by its sheer presence. The bold front grille, the intricate chrome details, and the sleek LED headlights all scream sophistication. The design language is modern yet maintains that classic Maybach elegance. But enough with the looks, let's dive inside and see what makes this vehicle worth the attention. Stepping into the 2025 Maybach S 650 feels like entering a private jet. The cabin is a sanctuary of high-quality leather, fine wood trims, and metal accents, giving it an ultra-premium feel. Every detail inside meticulously crafted for both comfort and style. The seats are, of course, heated, ventilated, and fully adjustable with built-in massage functions that make even the base. The rear seats, where most Maybach owners will be spending their time, are no less impressive. They recline, offer leg rests, and come equipped with a full entertainment system. It's more than just a car, it's a first-class experience on the road. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 S 650 is powered by a 6.0-liter V12 and delivers a jaw-dropping 621 horsepower. That's more than enough to move this luxury sedan with serious authority. Despite the car's size and weight, the engine makes it feel light and agile on the road. And I can accelerate from 0 to 60 amp in just over 4 seconds, which is impressive for such a large vehicle. The power is paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, which ensures that gear changes are effortless and that the ride remains silky at all times. One of the standout features of this model is its focus on cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is dominated by two massive OLED screens that provide all the information you could need from navigation to entertainment to driving stats. The MUX system is intuitive and responsive, controlled by touch, voice commands, or even hand gestures. There's also a host of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking this large sedan a breeze. Let's not forget the sound system. Mercedes has partnered with Burmester to deliver a 4D surround sound experience that's second to none. Whether you're listening to classical music or something a bit more upbeat, the sound quality is rich, clear, and immersive. Finally, the ride quality of the S 650 is outstanding. Mercedes' advanced air suspension system absorbs every bump and imperfection in the road, making you feel like you're floating. Combine that with the active noise cancellation, and you've got a driving experience that's serene, even at higher speeds. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S 650 is not just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who want the best in luxury, performance, and technology, all wrapped into one stunning package. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, the S 650 delivers an unparalleled experience. That's it for today's review here on Bike Vibes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews, not just bikes, but everything with wheels that excites. Catch you in the next one.